Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Visual Composer. The fastest and easiest way is to auto-install, but I'll show you the manual installation too. First, you'll have to go to visualcomposer.com and click on Get Started. Now enter your email address and click on Continue. Here, you can choose one of our plans. For the free version, click on the free download button. Now for the auto install, enter a valid URL of a site that has WordPress installed. If you want to install manually, click on download zip here at the bottom. The next step for auto install is simply to click on the Click to Install button and you'll be redirected to your WordPress site. Log in and finish the installation process here. If you've chosen to install Visual Composer manually, you already have the zip file from the previous steps. Now you'll have to log into your WordPress admin panel and locate the plugins section on the left. When there, click on Add New at the top. A side note, you can also find Visual Composer here in the plugin directory. Now, click on Upload Plugin and drag the downloaded zip file here. And install now. When that's done, click on Activate and you're ready to use Visual Composer. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and see you on the next one.